How do I add friend in Slack? Slack isn't like social media. You don't add friends. Instead, you connect through direct messages, invites, or group chats. And here's how. So go ahead and click on this new message button and type in the person's name. So if that individual is actually a part of the team, you can go ahead and message them. So simply enter their name, and here you can also enter their email and then add your message into the section. If they're not in your workspace yet, invite them. And then select invite people and then enter their email into the section. You can also continue with Google Workspace if you're connected to them through Google Workspace. You can also copy your invite link and send this to them manually. Once they click on this link, they can join the channel and you can message them directly. Want to chat with several people at once? You can add multiple names up to 8 and start a group DM. Everyone sees the conversation in one private thread. To connect with people outside your company, you can also use Slack Connect. It lets you share channels across different organizations. That is how to add a friend in Slack.